Welcome, folks. Let's talk about Ansible, your friendly automation sidekick. It's open source, powerful, and surprisingly simple. No clunky agents required, just good old SSH and some YAML magic. If you've ever wished computers would configure themselves while you sip coffee, Ansible is the dream come true. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, meet DF, the unsung hero of disk space management. It tells you how much room you have left before your system starts complaining. Think of it as your storage accountant, keeping track of every byte so you don't wake up to a full disk disaster. Why use Ansible for DF? Simple. Do you like running DF manually across 100 servers? No. Thought so. Ansible sweeps through all servers, gathers results, and lets you know before your disks scream for help. It's automation at its finest. Now, writing an Ansible playbook is like scripting instructions for your servers. YAML makes it super readable. You might even mistake it for a to-do list. Define your hosts, list your tasks, and boom, your systems obey without complaints. The shell module is your Linux command executor inside Ansible. Want to run DF? Just tell Ansible and it'll do the job for you. No need to SSH manually. Your servers are now obeying automation. Capturing DF output is like collecting notes from all your servers. Store, analyze, and automate reports. Now you'll always know when it's time to clean up your disk before it gets cluttered. The debug module is like putting a microphone in front of Ansible, telling you exactly what it's doing. Need to verify disk usage details? Just debug it and Ansible will spill the beans. We all love a clean workspace, right? Well, same goes for disk data. Filtering the DF output keeps it precise and useful. Ansible makes this easy with built-in filters. No more staring at endless columns of cluttered data. By applying grep and awk, we slice out just what we need. So let's clean up our disk reports like a pro, and trust me, your future self will thank you. Think of variables like tiny data containers. They hold onto your disk stats so you don't have to. Ansible makes storing DF output simple, allowing us to reference key values without rerunning commands. Plus, passing variables between roles keeps everything smooth. So let's put those variables to work and give our automation some real memory. JSON is like the universal language of data. And guess what? We can transform our DF output into JSON effortlessly with Ansible. This makes it easier to use in scripts, APIs, and external tools. No more tangled text data. Just clean, structured, and readable information. So let's give our data a makeover and make it speak JSON fluently. Setfact is basically Ansible's magic trick. It takes processed DF data and makes it persist across tasks. By storing values intelligently, we streamline automation workflows and make informed decisions effortlessly. Plus, it keeps our playbooks neat and structured. So let's wield Setfact like a pro and turn our disk data into pure automation gold. Wouldn't it be great if our disks monitored themselves? Well, with Ansible, they practically do. We can automate disk checks, set up alerts, and even clean up unnecessary files without lifting a finger. No more surprise disk full warnings. Just smooth, proactive monitoring. Let's turn Ansible into our disk watchdog and make storage issues a thing of the past. Best practices make life easier, and Ansible is no exception. Efficient filtering, structured storage, and smooth automation. These techniques ensure reliable disk monitoring. A well-managed DF output means fewer headaches and more streamlined workflows. So let's embrace the best practices and make disk monitoring effortless. So we've mastered filtering, storing, and automating disk monitoring with Ansible. What's next? The key takeaway: automation makes life easier. Keep your playbook scalable and structured. Apply best practices and explore advanced Ansible tools. With these skills, managing disk space will never be a problem again. So let's keep pushing the automation envelope. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.